Stupid thing stopped again. All right. So sit in here. Pull this on. I want to be kind of gentle with the wings, just in general. They, you know, the whole thing's plastic. Right. Have it on like that. It's probably best to adjust these straps once you're standing up. But you take this, and this might take a few tries to figure out exactly how it works for you. But you want to take this Velcro piece, lay it on just the right spot on the other side of the Velcro, and do the same on the other side, trying to make sure that it stays pretty, you know, it's angled pretty evenly. It's not, you know, off to one side or the other. Now it should be right up against your belly like this. This Viper's a little big for me, so yep, and there you have it. You stand up, adjust these straps, tuck any excess in down here. I might also include a safety pins to make sure it's just in the right spot. And good hunting.